Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here. Welcome to my official legit check of the 2024 Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. So first, you want to check for the silver chip behind the box label. I think this is a very good way to legit check your sneakers in my opinion. Just be very careful when peeling back the label to avoid damaging the box. Next, you want to make sure that you have a woven footbed with red lines, especially if you have the VW1 pair. Notice that the red lines are slightly faded on the retail pairs that you see in front of you. Fake pairs will have red lines as well, but they will be more bold than what you see on the retail pair. When you flip your insoles over, you will have DreamCell inserts. Keep in mind that the print should be very clear and high quality. Now, there's a hidden detail on the DreamCell insoles that's very inconspicuous, so unless you're looking for it, you won't notice it. But these insoles have punctures, one at the top and one at the bottom. I even went back and looked at my Wizard PE Jordan 3s, and those have punctures as well. Next, make sure that your sizing stickers are above the Nike logo. Stickers can easily be removed or fall off, especially if you're buying them used. But if you're buying brand new, then your sizing sticker should be placed above the Nike logo. Moving on to the sizing tag. So my factory code reads VW1, and that's in line with the VW1 footbed that I showed you earlier in the video. Now, because this was a mass-produced GR, some of you will probably have pairs that have LN3M and LN4M as a factory code. These are slightly different factory codes than what we're used to seeing on Jordans, and you'll probably see these on the upcoming Columbia 11s in December. So let me know in the comment section if you have something other than VW1. As far as the production dates go, the dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones that you have on your pair. However, the dates on your pair should be the same between your left and right shoe. In the event that your dates are not the same, that doesn't mean that your shoe is necessarily fake, but it is becoming the standard for your left and right shoe to have matching dates. Now, when it comes to the stitching on the Black Cement Air Jordan 3 or any OG colorway of the Air Jordan 3, it will have single stitching on the back panel where the elephant print is. If it's a non-OG colorway, then 9 times out of 10, it will have double stitching around the elephant print. I think the only non-OG colorway that actually has single stitching is the Nina Chanel Jordan 3. Also, be sure to do the rock test. You want to put these shoes on a flat surface. Notice that the right shoe rocks and the left one does not. This is a very old technique that people use to legit check their sneakers, and it's very reliable because a lot of the counterfeit companies do struggle to replicate this, so don't forget to do the rock test. Moving on to the box, there are no stickers or stamps underneath the box lid. There are no stickers or stamps inside of the box. There are no stickers or stamps underneath the box, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, fire red, and cement gray. As always, folks, I try to give you as much detail as possible when it comes to legit checking these sneakers, especially with popular ones like this one. Counterfeit companies are going to be looking to flood the market with these because they know everybody wants a pair. So if you have the opportunity to buy these in person, definitely do so. I'm not saying not to order from StockX, Go, or Flight Club, but if you want to increase the chances of getting an authentic pair, then I highly suggest that you buy in person, because at least then you can inspect your shoe before you hand over your money. If you have any questions or concerns, definitely leave them in the comment section, or feel free to hit me up at Retrospective Dave on Instagram. I will respond to you. And as always, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.